My dad, I looked upon him as a visionary. He looked to the future, and we worked out a transition plan that worked well for he and I, and did it a little later in his career, and we want to approach it while I'm as young as I am, make this transition where Mandy, my daughter, hopefully her son will want to carry it on, because it is definitely a business, but it's also a way of life, and we love it. Mandy has, of course, been around her entire life and started her helping pay the bills and opening the mail when she was about 14. She's done several things in life that she has just experienced working in other businesses and other avenues than just farming, but chose the role of taking over the management side of the finances, farm service agency work, etc., and does that very well now. All I get to do is look at the finished product, and that works really well. Jason, Mandy located him, thankfully, and he's come on board and handles the day-to-day and does an amazing job with that. That was kind of a dream that I had, and with the two of them having their own individual roles, we coordinated together and it's worked really well.
For someone to have grown from the bottom up like Dad and Granddad did and gone as much as they went through, many that know him, family, friends, whatever, know that you couldn't do what he's done without a strong personality. And a lot of people are amazed, especially me, that he stepped back as much as he did when he did. We may have our tough days when I feel like he's got his thumb on me too much, but when I step back and think about it, it's pretty amazing that he has let go and trust Jason and I as much as he does. He's made us earn that trust. It didn't come easy.
You proved yourselves.
But he lets us make mistakes. And like he said, he doesn't let us make very big ones if he can help it. But he will let us make a mistake here and there just for the learning experience. And I think that's made all the difference.
You know, for the older ones to back off and let them think it through and make a good decision. And in our case, I've found out most of the time it is a good decision. It may not be exactly how I would have done it, but the end result, the outcome, is what we were looking for. So that's all that counts to me.